Ìbàdàn yóò rojú, Ìbàdàn yóò tòrò, èkó bíbí èkó, ẹ̀yẹ́ òkè bí ẹ̀yẹ́.
Ọba MOSHOOD Olalekan Balogun wọn kì í dití sí ìṣòro ẹnikẹ́ni bàbá tó dáa.
Ó súnmọ́ bá níwọ̀n ẹgbẹ̀jẹ̀ mọ́ jìnnà sábà níwọ̀n ẹgbẹ̀fà.
Gbogbo yín pátápátá ẹ fún àmójútó àwọn ọba tuntun nílùú Ìbàdàn pátápátá ìlú ọmọ Mákindé. Ẹ kú lédè ọba tuntun ọmọ Ìbàdàn ẹ gbọ́gbọ́ o.
Ọba wa His Imperial Majesty Ọba Dr. MOSHOOD Olalekan Ishola OKUNMADE kejì Olubadan tilẹ̀ Ìbàdàn.
Olubadan ti ilẹ̀ Ìbàdàn tí wọ́n ń gbadé lónìí wọ́n kó ni mọ́ra gan.
Shall we rise to welcome His Excellency, our Governor, Engineer Seyi Makinde FNSC, and the acting President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as our special guest.
Igbákejì ààrẹ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà Ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n Yẹmí Ọ̀ṣínbàjò.
The citation of the 42nd Olubadan of Ibadanland is Imperial Majesty Oba Dr. MOSHOOD Olalekan Ishola Balogun Ali OKUNMADE II. Some are born great, some achieve greatness. Greatness is trust unto others. This gentleman was born a royal prince into the royal family of Balogun Aliwo in Ibadan on the 18th of October 1942. He had his primary school at the modern school, CAC and Lugua, and he started showing greatness. Morning shows the day as boyhood shows manhood. While staying with his elder brother, Hamzat Adewale Balogun was a civil servant and he was in modern school. He was at the same time studying privately for GCO level with the Rapid Resort College. And within a short time, he succeeded getting that certificate, and then he headed for United Kingdom, all within the age of 18 years. He got admission into Brunel University. He left in 1963 with master's degree in administration and economics. He had a brief stint with the Social Services Department of Lambeth Local Government, where he worked for a year and a half. Later on, enrolled for doctorate degree, and then he enjoyed scholarship to show how brilliant he was. He took up appointment with the Ahmadu Bello University, Zaria, and as a research fellow, he also had a great offer from University of Ife. But he wanted to learn about the cultures of the other people. And today, we are seeing the progressive trend. He later took appointment with Shell British Petroleum Company, where he had a successful career and was promoted every year for his being brilliant, and he rose to become the head of recruitment. But this restless prince of Ibadan would not stay too long in that place, because he discovered he is a voice and was meant to be the voice of the voiceless. So he quits that company. In the portrait of an activist, a biography of Lekan Balogun, it was recorded that by working against Nigerian workers, those he was supposed to be championing their cause, it was against his conscience, and therefore he called it quits. It was during his sojourn in United Kingdom that the young Decor developed a white-black consciousness which crystallized into his passion for human rights, and he joined the leftist Marxist movement. No wonder that he plunged into politics in 1978 and joined the Talakawa Party, Party of the Masses, of the late PRP, People Redemption Party of the late Malam Aminu Kano. His charisma, honesty, and gallantry pushed him further within a short time, to the extent that the overlords of Oyo State politics allowed him to become the gubernatorial candidate of one of the major political parties, the Nigerian People's Party, NPP, under Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe. Young Decor Balogun knew that Africans are passionate about their culture and tradition, and he's passionate about the traditions of his people. Sailor boy, how many seas have you sailed? Decor Balogun said, I have sailed all the seas and the oceans of the world. I come back to my land, my home, IBADANLAND, to pay respect to the harbor master. And as a scholar, he knew that politics, culture, and tradition are mutually exclusive tools for citizen emancipation. Not only that, he accepted, because of his passion for his culture and his land, Ibadan, he accepted the offer to become the Mogaji of the Ali Iwo royal family in 1986. That is the town representative. Therefore, he started the journey of his forefathers to become Olubadan one day. He has served several Olubadans, and in 1989 he joined the Olubadan line. Today, after 33 years, Oba Dr. MOSHOOD Olalekan Ishola Balogun, distinguished senator of the Federal Republic, a great man of the people, rare breed politician, renowned technocrat, erudite scholar, activist, author, is today the 42nd Olubadan of Ibadanland, for Ibadan has called him to come and serve them. We believe that Ibadan shall continue to prosper in his reign. May I, Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, welcome you as His Excellency the Governor, Seyi Makinde, is giving the staff of office to His Imperial Majesty, Oba Senator Dr. MOSHOOD Olalekan Ishola Balogun OKUNMADE II.
By the powers conferred on me under the relevant section of Oyo State traditional laws, I hereby present the staff of office to the 42nd Olubadan of Ibadanland, Oba MOSHOOD Olalekan Ishola Balogun.
Ibi tá wí ládé yìí.
A tún fún wọn ní instrument of office. So, ẹ ti rí signature gómìnà ń bẹ abẹ́ rí. So I hereby present the instruments of office as the Olubadan of Ibadanland, my father.
Kábíyèsí Olúbàdàn lẹ́ẹ̀bàdàn. Olúbàdàn lẹ́ẹ̀bàdàn kótó nénéné. Lónìí ọba ti gbà, ọba ti gbọ̀ pa àṣẹ.
I thank you very much for this presentation of staff of office. I thank him very much once again, but I can assure you that I will not let Ibadan down.
Àti ìjọba ní Ìbàdàn lọ́jọ́ tó ti pẹ́, àti ìjọba ní Ìbàdàn lólúyọ̀lé wa ọmọ àjòròsùn.
Kábíyèsí o. May your majesty's reign be peaceful and blessed with enviable exploits for Ibadan land, Oyo State, and Nigeria as a whole. Once again, I welcome you all to this gathering as I say congratulations to every son and daughter of Ibadan land. Congratulations to our revered Kábíyèsí. Hearty congratulations to my sisters, the Oloris, and congratulations to the residents of Oyo State. May the reign of His Imperial Majesty usher in peace, harmony, and development to Ibadan land, Oyo State, and our country. Ẹ kú oríire o, oyè amọ́rí, kí adé pẹ́ lórí, kí bàtà pẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀, kí ẹṣin ọba jẹ oko dalẹ̀, àmín.
It is a great honor to be here today to celebrate the coronation of His Imperial Majesty, Dr. Oba MOSHOOD Olalekan Ishola Balogun Ali OKUNMADE II, as the 42nd Olubadan of Ibadanland. Our gathering here today is a victory for the sons and daughters and lovers of Ibadanland, because our traditional system has been restored. I've always taken a stand for the integrity of our traditional system. And so I'm especially delighted that today, Friday, March the 11th, 2022, the sanctity of the emergence of this century-old dynasty has been restored. Oba Olalekan Ishola Balogun Ali has distinguished himself as an excellent professional. He has without doubt contributed and will continue to contribute to the development of Ibadan land and Oyo State at large. Well, I must say that we share something in common. Well, ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́kọ́ sọ nǹkan tá a share in common. Àwọn lọ Senate, èmi ò lọ Senate rí. Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn náà fẹ́ jẹ gómìnà, òun ò rí jẹ, èmi náà ti jẹ gómìnà. Àwọn ti gun orí oyè bàbá wọn. Èmi náà tí mo fi ń jà tọ́lẹ̀ ní pé òsì baálẹ̀ àjẹ́ ànímí wọ́n promote baálẹ̀ sí ọba, wọn ò promote ti tèmi náà. So ibi tí ń ròyìn pé èmi náà mi ò ní pẹ́ jẹ bóyá baálẹ̀ àjẹ́ àti bá kúrò lórí gómìnà ń bì. Ṣùgbọ́n one thing we share in common ni pé a jọ ṣiṣẹ́ ní ilé epo Shell Petroleum ni. So he's indeed a man of many parts, and so we rejoice that His Imperial Majesty Oba Olalekan Ishola Balogun Ali climbed the 22 steps on the Olubadan line, starting from the lowest rung of Jagun Olubadan over a period of almost 33 years. We rejoice because His Imperial Majesty, having seen how things were when politics became a factor in the ascension to the throne, he is in a great position to defend the traditions of our people and ensure that this does not happen again. And so I joined the Oyo State government, the sons and daughters of Ibadan land, and the good people of Oyo State to wish His Imperial Majesty a long, peaceful, and successful reign.
Níbàdàn ni wọ́n bí wá sí o, Níbàdàn ni wọ́n bí wá sí. Bàbá wa pẹ̀lú àwọn lónìí ilẹ̀, bàbá wa pẹ̀lú wọn lónìí ilẹ̀. Níbàdàn o, Níbàdàn ni wọ́n bí wá sí.
It's a very special honor and privilege for me to witness this epochal and historic occasion, the installation of the Olubadan of Ibadan. the 42nd Olubadan in 202 years since the founding of the throne. His Imperial Majesty Olubadan of Ibadanland, Oba Dr. Senator MOSHOOD Olalekan Ishola Balogun Ali OKUNMADE II. Your Royal Majesty, Mr. President has asked me to convey his special and respectful felicitations to you and the royal family and the great people of Ibadan on this day of abounding joy and celebration. Ibadan is in a real sense at the heart of the history of the Yoruba people and our nation. This is, after all, a town like none other, founded and shaped by defiant nonconformists, warriors of major Yoruba subgroups from Oyo, Ife, Ijebu, Egba, and it would become the largest indigenous city in Africa and the intellectual hub of the modern Nigerian state. Ibadan has always been a city on a hill, a place of refuge and a realm in which individuals could rise by the grace of their talents on merit and their diligence. It embodies the values of openness and diversity and high achievement. Ibadan is unerringly unique. As we all know, whoever would become an Olubadan must climb 23 chieftaincy steps from either of the two lines, as we've heard from the governor, the civilian and the military. But it is its predictability and orderliness that ranks it amongst the most peaceful and unique ascension protocols anywhere. It is the custodianship of this illustrious heritage and proud tradition that the Olubadan has been initiated today. And it is therefore, Your Royal Majesty, a heavy obligation of history that the privilege of your ascension to the throne of your fathers now places upon your shoulders. But your shoulders are broad and sturdy as you come into this office, better prepared than probably any monarch anywhere, with a PhD, a background in economic and social research, a scholar with an intellectual sympathy for Marxist dialectic, a university teacher, a former senator of the Federal Republic, and a champion of indigenous culture and community empowerment. Everything in your remarkable life and times, your abiding dedication and love for the people of Ibadan, your breadth of intellect, openness of mind, and largeness of heart has inexorably led to this auspicious day of your crowning as the Olubadan of Ibadan. Kábíyèsí, ẹ pẹ́ fún wa o. Kádé pẹ́ lórí, kí bàtà pẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀. God bless you, sir.
Àti lọ́ba tuntun ní Ìbàdàn. Àti lọ́ba tuntun ní Ìbàdàn. Ọba Sínítọ̀ Lékan ọmọ Balogun àtàtà. Ó yá ká lọ sí Ìbàdàn nílé Olúyọ̀lé. Present mi sí Adé Aga. Mọ́mí, Ayáde Aga mi àtàtà. Màmá Kìkì tiwa ni.